Hello and welcome to DNA Motoring. Today we're going to be talking about all things taillights. When it comes from the styling aspects to the OE plug-and-play awareness, we've got you covered as it comes to taillights. In talking about taillights, we're going to go ahead and get started in talking about our incandescent housings. These housings are designed by OE specifications to ensure that a proper fit and finish in your ride. Taking the existing bulbs that are already in your vehicle, you can ensure that they're going to fit into our housings, keeping an affordable solution for you. Some of the benefits of these housings are the beautiful styling and the plug-and-play aspect, ensuring that you have a seamless installation on your vehicle. So let's go ahead and take a deeper look into our LED taillights. When looking at our taillights, there are four main aspects that we like to point out: affordability, power and efficiency, programmability, and not to mention the way it looks on the road. So when we look at the LED taillights, the power efficiency aspect is most important. Plug and play, ready to go, ensuring that it's not drawing additional power off your vehicle. When we talk about the efficiency aspect, these lights are brighter than most that you'll see, ensuring that you, your friends, and family are safe on the road. So when talking about programmability, there are a few things that we'd like to touch base on. Whether it's the startup sequence unique to each vehicle and taillight model, they all can make sure that you have a great look on your taillight when unlocking or locking your vehicle. Also, taking a deeper look into the programming, we have sequential turn signals. So when you turn on your turn signal, depending on the model, you'll have a beautiful array of lights, ensuring that drivers around you know that you're switching lanes or making a turn. Coming soon to the market with DNA Motoring's taillights is going to be OLED technology. This is something that has been widely anticipated amongst us. Whether it's smoother startup sequences, brighter taillights, this is going to level up your ride. So we're going to be taking a deeper look into our 2004 to 2008 Ford F-150 taillight. When taking a look at this taillight, you'll see that it's packed with a ton of styling cues and technology that DNA Motoring is known for. So let's go ahead and dive in. Taking a look at this, you'll see that this taillight has our smoked lens, our black background, LED brake light and running light, paired with this iconic 3D running light LED ring. And on the bottom here, you'll see that we have an LED reverse light, allowing for everything to be lit up around your vehicle as you're making your way backwards out of a parking space or out of your garage. So let's go ahead and take a look into our more simplistic designs. Looking at the F-150 taillight here, or the Chevy Silverado, DNA Motoring's got you covered. So in taking a look at our design aspects, you'll see this panel feature that we have on the F-150, giving you your turn signal, your brake light, and your reverse light. The same thing could be found here for the Chevy Silverado, but more of a spherical design, giving you your brake light, your turn signal, and also the reverse light. So let's go ahead and take a look at the bread and butter of all of this, the backside. We take tremendous pride in the design aspects, meeting or exceeding OEM manufacturer standards, ensuring a perfect fit every time. So hopefully you learned a lot about taillights. As you can tell, they are jam-packed with technology and style.